Hello po, Sir Mike. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Ang wish ko lang po palagi is good health lang po sa inyo para mas marami pa po kayong matulungan na tao. And more sales po sa aming team. And God bless po. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, sir.
Hello po, Sir Mike. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best and good health. More success pa po sa business. Max Saint and Running Gears. Peace out.
Happy birthday po, Sir Mike. I wish you long life and more blessings po and more sales sa Max Saint team. Maraming salamat po sa endless opportunity na binibigay niyo po sa aming lahat. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi, Sir Mike. Wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday to you. Yes. Sana po ay bigyan pa po kayo ng more strength and good health po. And thank you po sa inyong dalawa ni Ma'am. Happy birthday ulit to. Peace out.
Hi Sir Mike, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sana mas lumaki at mas maging kilala po yung brand yung Max Saint. At good health po sa inyo ni Ma'am Mac and sa buong family nyo po. Nagpapasalamat din po ako kasi binigyan nyo po ako ng opportunity para makapag-work pa rin po sa inyo bilang work from home seller. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po. Bye-bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you and your family, your company. Thank you sa opportunity na makapag-work ako sa Max Saint. Nanahandle ang page niyo dyan. God bless you more.
Good morning. Birthday po ngayon ni Sir Mike. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sir Mike, happy birthday. Good health and more blessings sa iyo.
Happy birthday po, Sir Mike. Stay safe po and God bless. Thank you po sa lahat. Ingat po kayo.
Happy birthday po, Sir Mike. Wishing you good health po and kasi good health means good fortune. And looking forward po lagi sa success ng business. Kasi kung wala po kayo, wala rin kami dito. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po ulit. Bye!
Hello, Sir Mike. Unang-una ho, thank you po sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin dito sa Max Saint. And syempre ho, happy birthday. Ang wish ko ho sa inyo is more happiness ho sa buhay and syempre ho, good health. At syempre rin, nandiyan na rin po yung success para sa business niyo po. Thank you po ulit at happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Sir Mike. Wish you all the best. Sana palagi po kayong in good health. More travels with your family. And I hope na ma-enjoy niyo po itong day na to. Happy birthday!
Hi Sir Mike! Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang po sana mas lumaki pa po yung Max Saint and more sales pa po. Wish ko po sa inyo, stay good health po, pati na rin po sa family nyo. Enjoy your special day, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello po, Sir Michael. Happy birthday. I wish you a good health and more birthday to come. And sana po mas lumago pa po ang inyong business. And may God bless you and your family always. Happy birthday po, Sir Michael.
Happy birthday, Sir Mike. Ang wish ko po para sa inyo ay good health and more birthdays to come. Many blessings to you and your family. May God makes all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, sir. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Sir Mike. May you be blessed with health, wealth, and happiness. And wishing you a year filled with success and a good health. Happy birthday po!
Hi sir, happiest birthday po. Ang wish ko na marami pa pong blessings na dumating sa inyo ni ma'am. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo na binigyan niyo po ako ng chance na magstay dito sa Maxine. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po kayo ni ma'am. We love you so much po ma'am and sir. Thank you so much po.
Happy birthday, Sir Mike! On your special day, I wish you good health, continued success, and more achievements in the years ahead. Thank you for your strong leadership, vision, and dedication that continue to inspire all of us in the company. May this year bring even greater accomplishments and happiness. And again, happiest birthday, Sir Mike! Peace out!
Happy birthday, Sir Mike! We love you from Maxine Team! Peace out!
Hello, Boss Mac. Happy birthday and more sales to come for us. Thank you.
Happy birthday, more blessings and more power. Happy birthday, stay healthy.
Ayan, so happy birthday to the man who loves me at my best and at my worst. And alam ko naman na wala naman tayong worst na pinagdaan. Joke. So yun, happy birthday!